Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So, to the point. The topic of diesel fuel additives is a complex one, with a lot of information and some conflicting opinions. Here is a breakdown of the truth about diesel additives. Word diesel additives. Diesel fuel additives are chemical compounds added to diesel fuel to enhance its properties and improve engine performance. While modern diesel fuels often contain some additives, there are a variety of aftermarket products available for consumers to add to their fuel tanks. These additives are not one-size-fits-all and are designed to address specific issues. Do they actually work? The short answer is yes. Most reputable diesel fuel additives do work, but their effectiveness depends on the problem you're trying to solve and the quality of the product. They are not a magic fix for all engine problems, but they can provide tangible benefits, especially for older vehicles or those operating under specific conditions. Types of diesel additives and their functions. Diesel additives are categorized by their purpose. Some of the most common types include cetane boosters. These additives improve the cetane number of the fuel. A higher cetane number means the fuel ignites more quickly and efficiently. This can lead to smoother engine operation, faster cold starts, and reduced emissions. Fuel system cleaners/detergents. Over time, carbon deposits can build up on fuel injectors and other components, leading to reduced performance and fuel efficiency. These additives contain detergents that clean these deposits, restoring engine power and efficiency. Lubricity additives. Modern ultra-low sulfur diesel, ULSD, has less natural lubricating properties than older diesel fuels. This can cause increased wear and tear on fuel pumps and injectors, which operate under very high pressure. Lubricity additives restore this lubricating quality, protecting critical engine parts. Anti-gel/cold flow improvers. In cold weather, diesel fuel can thicken or gel, which can clog fuel filters and lines and prevent the engine from starting. Anti-gel additives modify the wax crystals in the fuel to prevent gelling, ensuring the fuel can flow freely even in freezing temperatures. Fuel stabilizers. These are used for vehicles or equipment that are stored for long periods. They prevent fuel degradation, oxidation, and microbial growth like diesel bug, ensuring the fuel remains usable over time. Corrosion inhibitors. These additives create a protective layer on metal surfaces in the fuel system to prevent rust and corrosion, which can be caused by moisture in the fuel. Biocides. Biocides kill and prevent the growth of microbes like bacteria and fungi that can contaminate diesel fuel, especially when water is present. The truth in a nutshell. Here's the real deal about diesel additives. They are not a replacement for proper maintenance. Additives can help address and prevent issues, but they won't fix a severely worn-out engine or a major mechanical problem. The benefits are often incremental. While you might not see a dramatic boost in horsepower, the cumulative effects of using the right additive, such as improved fuel efficiency, reduced wear on parts, and better cold weather starts, can be significant over the long term. Not all products are created equal. There are less reputable brands on the market that may contain ineffective or even harmful ingredients. It's important to use high-quality, reputable brands and to follow the manufacturer's instructions for use. Newer vehicles may benefit less, but still can. Modern diesel fuels and engines are designed to be highly efficient, and premium diesel often already contains a blend of additives. However, even newer vehicles can benefit from targeted additives to address specific issues, such as operating in very cold climates or under harsh conditions like heavy stop-and-go traffic. They can be a cost-effective solution. The cost of regular additive use is often far less than the cost of major repairs to fuel injectors or fuel pumps that may be caused by deposits or a lack of lubricity. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.